Princesa Subterranean River National Park. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999 and one of the new 7 natural wonders of the world in 2012. The amazing limestone karst landscape with an underground river offers one of the best eco-tours in the Philippines. In addition, the national park hosting the river is officially a World Heritage Site by UNESCO since December 1999 due to its rich ecosystem and for having one of the world's most impressive cave systems. The underground river is located approximately 80 kilometers northwest of Puerto Princesa near a beach town named Sabang, which is the point of departure of the boats to the underground river site. The water of the river flows out to the West Philippine Sea. It is one of the longest underground rivers in the world. The park has a diverse ecosystem. Its forest formations include mangroves, montane forest, beach forest, and freshwater swamp forest, just to name some. The total length of the cave system is around 24 kilometers and is right beneath the mountains. The underground river's total length is 8.2 kilometers, but only 4.3 kilometers are navigable to the public. Experts have found that the park houses 165 of the 252 bird species in the province of Palawan. The underground river is one huge system of caves with plenty of chambers, stalactites, and stalagmites. The boatman assigned to your boat may point out the unique formations found inside. You can get an audio guide to get detailed information about what you'll see inside. You'll have to use your imagination to see the animals, shapes, or whatnots. You'll hear bats and dripping of water if it is quiet enough. The huge chambers create a distinct ambience, especially with limited lighting. Tourist boats only go as far as 4 kilometers into the cave. You'll need a special permit to go further than that. If you get permits, you'll have to swim in some sections because boats can't pass through.